Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So some people contact me asking them to help out with a website. So I want to show you or give you a quick sample of the inside of an account within a friendship dating platform that's been created using Brilliant Directories. And because I think it's quite a cool feature, and I just want to show you about some of the features. Now, when you go into a member account, when you log in as member, or or you are the member and you're logging into your account, you're often greeted with this view here. And I find always, regardless of whatever website I'm constructing for anybody, that these are very bland. They don't stand out very much, and you can change the colors a wee bit, but they are just straightforward. So now I'm going to show you the inside of a friendship dating website. This is just a sample of how this looks. Now, in this particular website, there are about 100 different post types. And each post type has around 30 or 40 categories. And you can see all the post types are listed just across the page here. Now, the great thing about this is that, first of all, they can navigate to whichever section that they want to complete just up here using the navigation buttons. Notice that they aren't showing in the sidebar just here. When the person selects account home, they'll land on this page here. So they'll land at the account home section. When they click on post ads, so if they're wanting to post an ad, it will make sure that they'll land at the ads section. So this is where they do all their posting, their upgrade options, and it will land further down the page. It's all on the same page, but it will just jump to that section. So it's really good, easy navigation. So we're not confusing people by having links down here to complete your account and links down here to complete the account. They are just there along the top of the page. You've got your chat messages and then your reviews or manage your vibes. So with this, with having so many post types, having a setup like this just isn't ideal. You can imagine that if you've got 100 different post types, I mean, they're just going to list and list down the page. So what we've done here is we've broken them up into categories along the top, and you can scroll these categories simply by using the navigations. And this works really well on mobile as well. So we've made sure it's adapted to mobile phone size screens and smaller screens as well. So it's easy to scroll just with your finger or by using the arrows that are on display. And you can see as we flick through all the different post types that are appearing. But the great thing about this as well, we can see instantly how many ads we have live in a particular post type. So for example, if we look at chat and chill here, we can see that we've got one ad, and if we click on that, that will take us to the ad that's available to that we've posted that's live. So that just gives you an idea sort of how that works. And then if we want to post another ad, we can simply click on post ad, and this will post an ad to the correct post type that's been set up. So if we click on post ad, we can see that it's going to the chat and chill section. So again, you could use this as this is a dating and friendship demo website that's been built to give a couple of clients some ideas of what they could do. But you can actually use this sort of setup just in a general business directory. Maybe you have a few different types of articles, or you want to categorize your post types. If you're doing a classified ad website, for example, you are limited with the amount of categories you can have on each post type for classified ads, but you can organize your post types like this, and it's a really good effective way and quite visual as well. It looks nice, and it's a great layout, and I like it, which is why I wanted to show you what's possible to achieve sort of in the back end of your website. As I say, this is just a demo website, this one. Having said that, there are quite a few people already signed up to it. But I do just use this really to sort of show people what's possible in terms of the back end of the website. So I hope that gives you some visual, and I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.